And hope you're fine now. In this video I'm going to show you what's changed occur in a XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour. What's the price changes in a XRP Ripple coin in the last hour. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and complete my 2k subscriber. My wish to hit 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Now let's see what's XRP Ripple coin price changes in the previous 2 hour 1 hour. Let's see the price changes of XRP Ripple coin in the previous 1 hour. Oh my god, oh my god, as we can see the graph of XRP Ripple coin, so it's tell us that XRP Ripple coin falls down, as you can see. It's a continuous falls of XRP Ripple coin start in this last 1 hour. If we see the changes of XRP Ripple coin, so it's also a negative because the graph tell us so they are falls down, so the changes is also a negative 1.67% change occur in a XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour, as you can see now on the graph and on the funds, as you can see here at this point. Now what's the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last hour? The high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last hour is $0.559579 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. If we see the chart analysis and the changes of XRP Ripple coin, so it's clear that XRP Ripple coin falls down. My suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? Please share in the comment box. Let's see if the price changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous 2 hour. If we see the previous 2 hour result of XRP Ripple coin, so it's clearly tell us it's a false period of XRP Ripple coin. They are falls down, hour by hour they are falling down again and again. As you can see here, the change is also a negative 0.91% change in the previous 2 hour occurs in the XRP Ripple coin. In the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the previous 2 hour is $0.559579 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the previous 2 hour. So that is the live price changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the 2 hour. In the last 1 hour, you are watching now only Abhi's Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.